Hey guys, today we'll be covering the current divider rule. So firstly, what is the current divider rule? The current divider rule is a shortcut method used to find current within a branch of a parallel circuit. We do this because in a parallel circuit, our current is split through different branches, unlike in a series circuit where it's continuous throughout the whole thing. Now, this is the main formula used within this rule, where Ix, our current through branch X, is equal to our total current multiplied by our total resistance over the resistance through branch X. Before you can apply this formula to any circuit, two rules must be followed. One, the value for RT must already be known or found within the circuit, and the value for Is must already be known or found within the circuit as well. So let's look at it here with a diagram. Here we have a parallel circuit diagram with three branches. Firstly, we must find RT. Since it's parallel, we have to use this formula, putting in our R values to their respective positions, calculating and getting a final value. Now, for our total current, we simply rearrange Ohm's law to I equals V over R, once again putting in our values, calculating and getting a final answer. Now that we have a total current and a total resistance, we apply it to our formula here. Here, Ix is equal to I2, which means Rx is going to be R2 since it's the resistor running through that specific branch. With knowing that, we put in our values, calculate, and get a final answer. Now, there is a special application for this rule, and we use it when we have a circuit with two branches, and it's most commonly seen to be the easier of the two formulas to apply. Here, it works the same of our current through branch X is equal to our total current multiplied by our opposite resistor of X over the sum of Rx and the opposite resistor. Notice it is not the total resistance of the circuit, instead the sum. And our R opposite is going to be the resistor that is not in the branch in question. So if we're looking at branch 1, Rx is going to be R1 and R opposite will be equal to R2 and vice versa. So once again, let's look at it with a diagram. Here we have a parallel circuit with two branches. Go about the same way of finding your RT value and your total current value, then putting those values into your new formula where here we have Ix equal to I1. So Rx is equal to R1 and our R opposite will be R2. And knowing that, we put in our values again, calculate and get a final answer of I1 equals 1 millivolts. So now you have effectively learned what the current divider rule is, how it works, the two different applications for it, and when and where to use those with a specific circuit. So I hope this video has helped you learn about the current divider rule a bit better, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you, and bye.